Welcome to Gypsumboard production line manufacturing machine promotional video. The machine is made of the most advanced technology and high-quality materials. Ensure that your production line can run efficiently and stably. Gypsumboard production line manufacturing machine adopts the most advanced technology and materials with the following advantages. High degree of automation. The machine can realize automatic metering, automatic mixing, automatic forming, automatic cutting, and other functions. Greatly improve production efficiency, reduce labor costs. Good stability. The machine adopts high-quality electronic components and precision mechanical parts. Ensure stable operation of the machine. Reduce the failure rate and maintenance cost. Flexible production line layout. We can design the layout of the production line according to customers' needs and actual conditions. Ensure the production line covers a small area. High production efficiency. The production of gypsumboard cannot be separated from the support of a series of equipment and process flow. As the core component of gypsumboard production line, drying machine plays a vital role. This paper will introduce the working principle, advantages and characteristics, scope of application, technical parameters, and other aspects in detail. To give readers a more complete picture of this important device, a dryer is a device that evaporates water from drywall through high temperatures and strong winds. Gypsumboard after forming contains a lot of water, must be heated and wind action. The moisture on the surface and inside of the gypsumboard evaporates quickly after drying for a certain time. In order to improve the strength and quality of gypsumboard to meet the required quality standards, so as to ensure the production efficiency and product quality of the production line. Dryer mainly includes the following parts: burner, heat exchanger, fan, air duct, hot blast stove, flue gas treatment equipment, etc. The dryer is easy to operate. Various operations can be completed through the touchscreen control panel, such as adjusting the temperature, humidity, air volume, and other parameters. Be able to find and eliminate the fault in time to ensure the stable operation of the production line. The dryer uses high-quality parts and structural materials after strict quality control and testing to ensure its stable and reliable operation and adaptable. It can be applied to the production of gypsumboard of different specifications and thicknesses, and can also cope with different environmental conditions and climate change. Ensure the quality of gypsumboard and stable operation of production line. We provide a full range of technical support including equipment installation and commissioning, operation training, maintenance, and other services. We also offer A24, our customer service hotline and remote technical support, be able to respond to customer needs and questions in a timely manner. To ensure the stable operation of equipment and customer satisfaction. In short, drywall drying machine is an indispensable part of the production line. With high efficiency and energy saving, easy operation, high precision control, multifunctionality, stability and reliability, intelligent management, environmental protection, energy saving, strong adaptability, safety and reliability. Technical support and other advantages. If you are considering purchasing a drywall line manufacturing machine, we strongly recommend that you choose one with high cost performance, reliability, after-sales service quality manufacturers. Thank you for watching the promotional video. If you have any questions or needs, please feel free to contact us.